Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Ultra Speed Snapshot on the HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro. So Snapshot is a feature on this phone that allows you to quickly take a photo of, for example, a moving object. So it's not as blurry compared to the normal photo where you press the button, it takes a while to process, and it makes the photo. But Snapshot, what it does instead is it just quickly snaps the photo, and you already have it, and it captures the moving object, so you can pretty much make photos quicker. And all you need to do is just open up the camera, find the snapshot mode. It's going to be right here in this bar, and just take your photos. So let's say, for example, you have a moving hand in front of a screen, and you take a photo, and for example, the photo isn't going to be as blurry, and that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.